In this tutorial, we will show you how to import a Ledger account into your SubWallet and enable it for the sending and receiving of Torus tokens. Before setting up your Ledger-supported account in SubWallet, you must first prepare your Ledger device. Make sure your firmware is up to date. Make sure you have the Polkadot app installed. Unlock your Ledger and open the Polkadot app. Install the Torus network in your SubWallet network settings. There's a link in the description. Click on the account drop-down and then click on the picture of the Ledger device. Click Connect a Ledger device. If your Ledger has gone to sleep, unlock it again. Select the Polkadot Ledger app, and once it says Device Found, click Connect Ledger Device, choose an account to install, and again click Connect Ledger Device. Your Ledger protected account with Torus support is now live. To receive tokens to your Ledger account, select Torus from the token list and click the Get Address button. You may see a warning about it being an unsupported network. It's okay, your tokens will not get stuck. As we will demonstrate, click on Get Address. Copy the address using the copy function provided. Your address is now on your clipboard, and you can send Torus tokens to this account. We have sent and received 3 Torus tokens to our account. Please note that currently SubWallet does not allow you to transfer Torus between standard and Ledger accounts within the app. To mitigate this, you can connect to the Torus web wallet, link in the description, and send them to your Ledger address from there. To send tokens from your Ledger account, first make sure your Ledger is unlocked. Select your Ledger account. Click on the Torus token from the token list. Click on Send Tokens. Enter the address you are sending the tokens to. Be careful. Any mistakes in the address will result in the loss of your tokens. If you have used the address before, the wallet will recognize it. Enter the number of tokens to send manually, or use the max function and then click Transfer. If your Ledger has gone to sleep, unlock it again and press Refresh. Check the details and press Approve. Approve the transaction on your Ledger screen. Your tokens have been sent. You can view the transaction or return to the home screen. Here at Omni Labs, we provide AI, crypto news, tutorials, podcasts, and guides for free. Please help us to keep helping you by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.